In this video, I'll demonstrate you a quick little tip so that you can manage your text objects much easier. If you have many fonts in your system, it might be cumbersome to select one from the long list of your collection. There's a simple option to manage custom collections. Go to text and font and you can see the collections button. If you click on that, you will get the collections menu. Here you can create custom collections, rename it wherever you want, and you can select fonts from this side and add it to the collection. You can drag and drop. I will add my monospace fonts there. You can add whatever you like, and I will add another one called favorites and add two fonts, for example. Now when you work with text, you can select the collections. You can see the collections and select the collections which you want to display. So that is much easier for you to manage if there are lots of fonts in your system. Hope this tip is useful. Thanks for watching.